How to cancel McDonald's order on the app. I am going to show you how you can easily cancel McDonald's order on the app. Orders can be canceled in app, but you can call the restaurant. Unfortunately, McDonald's doesn't allow you to change or cancel your order in the app. Instead, cancel your order by contacting the restaurant where you purchase your food. You can find their phone number through the restaurant locator. Contact the restaurant to ask for a refund if you can't pick up your order. Find the phone number of the restaurant where you purchase your food using their restaurant locator. Since payment is charged when you place your order, you will need to contact the restaurant for assistance. After calling the restaurant, contact your bank immediately. They may be able to help remove the charges from your account. Remove the items from your cart if your order is still pending. If the order hasn't been officially placed yet, tap the brown bag in the upper right corner of the app. Click on the edit icon, then click on the delete icon next to remove the items. After changing your order, click Save at the bottom of the screen. If the order is still charged to your account, call your bank to remove the charges.